They say a virtuous woman builds with her hands, but what many people don't tell you is that every beautiful result starts with patience. Just like life, beauty is not always created overnight. Sometimes all it takes is a simple idea and a little creativity and the determination to create something amazing from what you've already have. Today, I'll be showing you how I transform ordinary braiding hair into this beautiful braid crochet hairstyle with curly hands. If you are looking for an affordable, beginner-friendly style that speaks elegant and expensive, then keep watching because this transformation is worth every minute. The Bible says in Proverbs 14, verse 1, every wise woman buildeth her house. Sometimes building doesn't start with bricks and cement. Sometimes it starts with your skill, creativity, and willingness to create something beautiful with your own hands. Today's story is about a young woman named Grace. Grace was the kind of woman every mother prayed for. She was beautiful, respectful, educated, hardworking, and above all, she feared God. In a world where many people chase wealth and appearance, Grace believed in character. She believed that a good name was better than riches. When she met Mark, it didn't take long for them to fall deeply in love. Mark was everything she had prayed for: kind, responsible, hardworking, and unlike many young men, he treated her with respect. Their relationship blossomed beautifully. Before long, everyone around them knew that marriage was only a matter of time. Even Mark made it clear Grace was the woman he wanted to spend the rest of his life with. But sometimes the greatest enemy of love are not strangers. Sometimes they are the people closest to us. Mark's mother never liked Grace. Not because Grace had done anything wrong, not because she lacked character, not because she wasn't good enough. Her holy crime was that she came from a different tribe. To Mark's mother, that alone was enough reason to reject her. The more Mark spoke about marrying Grace, the more his mother opposed the relationship. At first, Grace tried to win her over with kindness. She visited, she greeted respectfully, she helped whenever she could, but nothing she did was ever enough. Unknown to Grace, Mark's mother already had a plan B. A wealthy family in their village had a daughter, and she wanted Mark to marry her instead. To her, money was more important than love. Status was more important than character. And she was willing to do whatever it took to make sure Grace never became her daughter-in-law. What Grace didn't know was that the battle against her had already begun. One day, Mark's mother called him privately. She said, out of all the women in this country, out of all the women in this world, is this the one you want to marry? Mark thought she was joking. She thought the mother was obviously joking. She told him plainly, if you marry that girl, don't expect me to support that marriage. Now imagine hearing that when you genuinely love somebody. Mark tried to defend Grace to the mother. He explained that Grace was a good woman. The mother said she didn't care. How she? According to her, a woman from another tribe could never enter her family. At that point, Grace still didn't know how serious the situation was. She was busy planning a future. The mother was busy planning how to stop it. Can you imagine? And unfortunately, Mark was about to make the biggest mistake of his life. A mistake that could cost him the only woman who genuinely loved him. Can you imagine how mothers can be a stumbling block to the happiness of their children? What did Grace ever did to warrant this kind of hatred from this woman? Most times I've come to realize that you don't have to do something to someone before they will just pick on you or before they will just hate on you. I don't know why it's like that. Have you ever experienced something like that? Like you did not offend anybody, they will just pick on you, they don't like you, but what to do? Thanks for watching. Just kindly drop your thoughts in the comment section. Just watch to the end. Thank you.